2, 1. Oh! Explosion powder and dry ice. Oh, shoot. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Oh! Oh!
The whole time I was literally screaming, get away from the bottle. It could have exploded. Looks like glass.
Oh! Oh! It's getting big.
Is it just me or is it boiling? So that's what dry ice does.
Oh! Oh! Is it gonna explode?
I can't believe it hasn't exploded here. So balloons take that much hair. That's crazy. Should have blown in his face. It's about to explode. Get away from the Coke. Also, the channel I'm reacting to is Jojo Sim on TikTok.
Anytime now.
Kapow!